Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Faucet channel. Today, we're going over how to install a drop-in kitchen sink cooler. This setup is from Costco, an all-inclusive bundle running around for $100 after tax. The sink itself is made of 18-gauge stainless steel, measuring 33 inches long, 22 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. Solid build, plenty of depth, perfect for a kitchen upgrade. Tools and materials: pry bar, plumber's wrench, conversion kit if switching from double bowl to single bowl, caulk gun for sealing, plumber's putty for sealing the drain flange. Step 1. Removing the old sink. First, let's get the old sink out. Take a look underneath. In our case, it looks like everything's just glued in. To start, use an X-Acto knife or pocket knife to cut through the sealant. Carefully trace the edges of the sink, scoring over and over until the seal breaks. Once that's done, use your pry bar to lift the sink out. Make sure you've turned off the water lines before removing anything. Step 2. Installing the new sink. With the old sink out, let's get ready to drop in the new one. Dry fit the sink to check sizing. This one fits perfectly, but just barely. It's always a good idea to check alignment and level before sealing. Now let's caulk. Cut the tip of your sealant tube using the built-in cutter on the caulk gun. Use the puncture tool to break the seal inside. Then, run a clean bead of sealant around the lip of the sink cutout in the countertop. Drop in the new sink and press it down firmly. Use the mounting clips underneath to secure it. You will need a flathead screwdriver. 2 clips per side should be enough. Step 3. Faucet and drain assembly. Next, install the faucet. Slide the faucet into the pre-drilled hole. From underneath, place the rubber washer, then the metal washer, and finally screw on the mounting nut. Tighten it with a Phillips screwdriver. For the drain, apply plumber's putty around the underside of the drain flange. Press it firmly into the sink's drain opening. Now attach the rubber seal, paper gasket, and mounting bracket from underneath, then tighten it all up. If you're reusing a garbage disposal, you might need to reuse the existing bracket. Just apply more putty as needed and install the bracket securely. Step 4. Plumbing hookups. Now we hook up the plumbing. We're using a single bowl kitchen sink drain kit. Most of these come with gaskets already in place, which helps prevent leaks. Install the P-trap and drain pipes, aligning everything before tightening the slip nuts. Make sure all fittings are snug but don't over-tighten. Step 5. Final checks. Now for the moment of truth, turn on the water lines. Check for leaks under the sink. Test both hot and cold, and don't forget the dishwasher connection if you have one. Finally, test the garbage disposal. Make sure it powers on and runs smoothly. And that's it, a full sink installation from start to finish. Everything looks clean, the sink is deep, sturdy, and leak-free. Super functional upgrade. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. See you in the next one.